Hello students, welcome to Narayana online classes. Today we are discussing about 6th class mathematics revision assignment. The factor of 12 is. The factor of 12 is. So first of all you should write factors of 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. These are the factors of 12. Now verify in the given options which option is the factor of 12. So 5 not there, wrong option. 7 not there, wrong option. C 9 wrong option. 3 it is correct option. Now second question. The first perfect number is options 6, 8, 7, 9. So the first perfect number. So before we are discussing this question, so what is perfect number? Perfect number is nothing but twice of the given number. Twice of the given number. So now verify each and every option. So here 6. Now 6 means I am taking what is the factors of 6? 1, 2, 3 and 6. So without taking the original number, now add this one. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 which is equal to 6. Okay. Now 6 is the perfect number. Now third question. The numbers whose only two factors are 1 and the number itself are called dash. Now options even, odd, composite, fourth one prime. Okay. So the numbers which only factors are 1 and itself. So 1 and itself is nothing but prime number. 1 and itself is nothing but prime number. Now move to fourth one. Dash is neither prime nor composite. Options 2, 1, 3, 4. Dash is neither prime nor composite number means here 1 is neither prime nor a composite number. Now fifth one. Numbers having more than two factors. More than two factors are called dash. Now options composite, second one prime, Third one, perfect coprime. Okay. Numbers having more than two factors. More than two factors is nothing but composite number. So option 1 is the correct option. Now solve the following. Solve the following. So sixth one. Factors of 24. So sixth one is factors of 24. Now factors of 24 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. Okay. Now seventh one. What is the greatest prime number between 50 and 100? So here seventh question. What is the greatest prime number between 50 to 100? So in this question we have to take from 100 to take, we have to take, that means 99, 98, 97, 96, 95 and so on up to 50 I am taking. Okay. So what they are asking, greatest prime number they are asking in the question. Now verify. So prime number is nothing but 1 and itself, 99. So the factors of 99 is more than 2. So it is composite number. Okay. Now coming from 98. 98 also composite number. So 98 also having more than 2 factors. Now coming from 97. So the 97 is having only 1 and itself factors. So this is called prime number. So in this we have to taken from 50 to 100, in between this 97 is the greatest prime number. Eighth one, express 18 as the sum of two odd primes. Okay. So here 18, eighth one is express 18 as the sum of two odd primes. Okay. So 18 is equal to, so this is 18 is the even number. So in this 18, when we sum of two odd numbers means here I am taking 7 plus 11. Here 7 is a odd number, 11 also odd number. So what they are asking, express 18 as a sum of two odd numbers. So in this one, sum. So I am taking two odd numbers, two odd prime numbers. Okay, 7 is also odd as well as prime also. So 11 is odd as well as prime also. So here I am taking 7 and 11, both are two odd primes. Okay. So when we addition 7 plus 11, so it will get 18. Now ninth one. Write 7 consecutive composite numbers less than 100. So what is the question? write 7 consecutive composite numbers less than 100. Okay, so here I am taking consecutive. Consecutive means side by side numbers. Side by side numbers. When we are taking numbers side by side numbers. Okay, so what they are asking, write 7. We need to take 7 consecutive numbers. Which numbers? Composite numbers less than 100. Okay, so less than 100 means 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96. Okay, so these are 7 consecutive composite numbers. Okay, so now 10th one, last question. Write 2 prime numbers whose difference is 10. So here in the 10th question, what they are asking, write 2 prime numbers whose difference is 10. So now I am taking prime numbers. Okay, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. Okay, so write 2 prime numbers whose difference is 10. So here I am taking only this one. So here when we are taking these 2 and these 2, okay, not only these numbers, you wish to take more numbers. Okay, but I am taking 2 to 19 numbers. I am taking prime numbers. In these numbers I am taking 2 numbers, the difference is 10. Okay, so 3 comma 13, this is the 1 pair. 7 comma 17, this is the 1 pair. Why we are taking these 2 numbers means, what they are asking, write 2 prime numbers whose difference is 10. So when we are taking 2 prime numbers, the 2 prime numbers having the difference is 10. Okay, so 13 minus 3 means 10. 17 minus 7 means 10. Understand? Right. Thank you. Revision assignment completed.